Frequent flyers, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. And so we're back here at the park again. Today is Throwback Thursday, y'all. And so I got one of my classics out here to fly. And today I'm out here with the Eachine H8 Mini. Check it out. And so I actually have two of these. Last Throwback Thursday I showed you guys the Eachine H8 3D. And so this one was the originator. This was the first one, the H8 Mini. This H8 Mini does not do inverted flight. It's just a normal quad and all, but it had a really fast yaw rate, but the yaw rate was uncontrollable on mine. On one of them, the yaw rate was pretty awesome. I was able to do really fast spinning yaw and put it in headless mode and fly it around and still control it. And so it was like a awesome mini version of the Gamma Ra turtle spinning around and flying. You can control it. Shout out to those who know who Gamma Ra is. If you know who that is, put it in the comments. This particular one right here, whenever I put it in the fast spinning mode, it would spin itself out of the sky. So I actually toned down the yaw on it and put it to my liking. Just like the H8 3D, you can do the same thing. Fly with deviation and turn the yaw down a little and get it to match up perfectly with the pitch and yaw. And so this thing is a pretty decent little flyer. I don't think you can, well, you actually can get these still. I have a link in the description. If I find some good sales for this thing, I'll put a link in the description for you guys to purchase if you wanted to grab one of these. And I did do a little modification to mine in the front. You see I cut that little square out so I can use my newer stick batteries that I like to use, but I did get my hands on one of these little batteries that I had from before, so hopefully this thing will hold out. I charged it up. Let's get it up in the air. Pretty cold out here too, so maybe not a long flight with this guy. It's on the Bayang Toys protocol. We're in the air with it. Really windy out here. Let's see the yaw. Oh, see? It spins itself out of the air. If I try to fly it with that yaw, I'm going to have to turn the yaw down to get any decent flight out of it. Check it out. The yaw is really fast on it. Yeah, let me land it and bring the yaw down for you guys so I can have a decent flight with it at least. So I'm going to go on the transmitter real fast and go to rudder, turn it down to maybe 30, 31 maybe. So I'm on 31 yaw. Let's look at the yaw. That's more like it. This thing has a really decent pitch too. Man, I'm gonna have to keep this little guy close. I was thinking maybe I wasn't going to take it out to the park because it's so small, but it's definitely a capable outdoor flyer, so I decided to bring it here anyhow. So let's try a flip with it. Oh, it's not going to flip. Maybe I don't have flips set up on the right channel for this guy to flip. It's weird, like some quads, they flip on a different channel. Because my other Bayang Toys quads, they all flip, most of them flip on the channel that I have set, but this one's not going to do any flips. As you can see, this thing is an awesome flyer, especially compared to the flyers of nowadays with altitude hold and all. This thing stomps all over all of that stuff. Maybe we can get a manual flip off with it. Let's try. I'm gonna have to take it up high so you guys can see it. It's so tiny. Here we go. Manual flip with it. Not gonna do too many of those because this little guy is so tiny. Definitely wouldn't want to drop this guy out here and all these leaves out here and not be able to find it. Try to get it close. Awesome little flyer. Oh, not the scraggle. And we went down, hit a twig in the branches up there. And thank God all the props are still on it. Awesome little flyer. Meow. Meow. Oh, and it went down. I think that's the end of the battery. It's kind of cold out here. Yep, it's flashing like crazy. So that's the end of our flight with the Eachine H8 Mini. I'll have a link in the description if I find this guy for sale. I'm pretty sure it's still available for sale at certain places. Definitely on eBay. So I'll put an eBay link in the description if that's the only place you can get it. Throwback Thursday. Thanks for watching.